Hey fam, you're welcome to my channel. This is a MacBook Pro 2012 edition, and it's having the light backlight, keyboard backlight issue. So this is the point where you remove the connector to the light. So I'll take you through on how to rectify the fault and get the light working again. So I want you to stick around while I go through this. I might be pausing the video also to do my opening because I'm just the only one holding my phone right now. You understand? So let's do this. This is the light. This is the light connector itself. I'm pulling it out from its stand right now. I want you to stick around and see how I do it manually. Doing this because in my own area it's very difficult to get the replacement. In your side you can easily just order. I'm doing this because I'm finding it very difficult to get it on order. Right now. Now we have gotten our lights for the replacement. We're doing the soldering right now. how you replace your light. We're doing it one after the other right now, replacing it, and make sure you don't make a mistake whenever you're replacing this light, because it has its own polarities, like the positive and negative, to get it right. So, but if you're not opportune to get the light, you can actually do the ordering online, then replace it the way I just showed you. We are done with the hardware and everything, the hardware part of it. So we want to do the couple to see how it goes. Let's Papong.
also contact us.
Okay.
We can fix it very well for you.
As you can see the light, right? You can see the keyboard there.
Keyboard light is not
It's
working.
showing.
I'll show you.
Perfect. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thank you.